Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get access to a free dunk calculator. Now, this is for people that are looking to increase their vertical jump or trying to dunk a basketball. And all you're going to do is you're going to click the link below this video. That's going to bring you over to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to enter some information. So at the top of the calculator here, you have your units of measurement. You can either do feet or you can do centimeters. Most people will do feet. Height of the rim, standards height of the rim is 10 feet. Standing reach is determined by standing next to a wall. Lift one arm as high as you can, and then at the top of your fingertips, you're going to measure that. That's going to be your standing reach. And then extra reach for a dunk, it's standard 6 inches. That's the amount of inches you need over the rim in order to dunk a basketball. So once you input the information, automatically you'll see over here on this bottom area, it'll give you the numbers, a rough estimate of how much it takes to dunk a basketball, 54 inches for my case, and I need a vertical jump of 48 inches to touch the rim. And then you also have some other information that may be relevant to you or maybe not. But that's all there's to it, very simple. Click the link below this video, it'll bring you over to the dunk calculator. And while you're there, you can also pick up a free ebook on how to increase your vertical jump in under an hour with some simple hacks that the pros use. So once again, click the link below this video. It'll take you over to the free dunk calculator. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Have a good one.